Now all of you, good morning. Next experiment is nothing but overcurrent relay. In this overcurrent relay we have to take variac, nothing but auto transformer, voltmeter across this variac. From variac one point goes to the ammeter 0 to 10 ampere. From ammeter it goes to common point of the relay. 10 point goes to the load lamp bank. Then from negative of this connected to the variac. Now relays points, common 10 point, then another points are there. This is nothing but S1, S2. S1 goes to switch, from switch it goes to the 9 number of the relay backside, and S2 goes to the ammeter 0 to 5 ampere and goes to the 8 number point. Now same thing we have done here. See, this is variac. From variac, first variac goes to the voltmeter. See, voltmeter is connected. Here these 2 points are connected from variac to the voltmeter. Then this one more point positive of this is connected to the ammeter. From ammeter second terminal of ammeter connected to the common point of this current transformer. Then from current transformer, the point number 10 which is connected to the load. Then another point of this another point of this load is connected to the negative point of this. This is phase neutral. So here now see, switch from S1 and S2 points. S1 goes to the switch. Then another point of this switch goes to the 8 number of backside of this relay. Backside of this 8 and 9. So here at backside we have to connect it here 8 and 9. Again this 9 point comes to the S2. So here now first what we have to do, see, we have to, same like over voltage relay, we have to set the current setting. So we have to set the current setting here 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70 and 80. So first we have to set, here we have to set, here already 20 plug current setting is there, 20 already it is there. So we can remove this also. We can remove easily this pin, and where we want current setting we can connect. For example, now I want to the 30 plug setting. So just insert here and connect it to 30 plug setting. So it is connected to 30 plug setting now. So here it is 30 plug setting. See, now here same 100%, 80% and 60% we have to go for the time setting. So already it is 1, here it is showing 1 which is nothing but here 100, 1 is nothing but 100%. So 1.0, 100% already it is there. The next here 0.8, 80%. If you rotate this, then it will comes to 60%. Now we have to start this. When we are giving supply increases load, this disc starts rotating, is it? So if load increases, the speed of disc increases. With that we have to see the time, same like we have done the over current over voltage relay. Now we will give the supply 230 volt variac. Supply is given, so we have to go for the 230 volt. See here 230, we have to adjust. volt adjusted. Now we have to switch on. This switch should be on. Then one more switch is here, add current transformer. This switch should be on here. If this switch is on, then we have to apply the loads. We have to apply these loads. Some load has to be applied. So we can set the current. If you apply the load, we can set the current is 1.5 ampere. Like this way you goes on increase the load, we are getting the increase in the current. So at this position what we have to do, we have to remove the switch. When you are removing this switch, if you remove this switch, see this disc starts rotating. That time you have to start the time. So here we have to push it up for every reading. Again here we have to increase the load. See, disc is rotating. After some time it will stop.